These are the 3 generations of Inatabs. Here's the Inatab 1, Inatab 2, Inatab 3. And you can tell they're gradually making it smaller and smaller. In fact, this screen is even smaller than this one, where these 2 screens are actually the same size. This one just has a smaller bezel. But they made this one a little bit smaller. Anyway, I'm going to try to boot these at the same time so we can see how fast they come out, how the new one competes against the old ones. When I competed these 2 against each other, the Inatab 1 actually ended up being able to boot faster than the Inatab 2. So we'll see how these go today. New logo. At this point, I still even prefer the Inatab 1, only because they can still play those Xvid movies where the other ones can't. Look, it's already ready to log in. These guys still thinking about it. Oh, here he is. He needs his date set. There you go. That's the trial version. And here's the Inatab 2. The Inatab 3 probably would have beat the Inatab 2 on the boot up time if it had the date set. But the dumb date, it has to be set every time you boot it up, which is odd. I'm sure it'll get fixed.
Touch your name to start. Oh,
this guy's battery's almost dead. Anyway, the Inatab 1 is still king of the hill in terms of boot time, and the Inatab 3 is probably in a second, and this one is still the slowest. I don't know why they made the Inatab 2 slower. It seems like if you're going to make something new, you'd want to make it faster so that people will be likely to use it. So odd. Anyway, here comes the Inatab 3 again after being rebooted. Look at that. Doesn't even know what day it is, even though I just said it. That's good quality work. I wonder how that snuck past the testers at VTech. Anyway, Inatab 1, still king of speed. I'd like to see something, the next Inatab 4 beat it. It sure would be nice. Anyway, thanks for watching.